welcome to lesson 83 from the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. We are going to take this lesson 4 measures at a time. Let's prepare our left hand by placing a D major chord shape. That is finger 1 on string number 3 fret number 2, finger 2 on string number 1 fret number 2, and finger 3 on string number 2 fret number 3. We're going to prepare our left hand as usual, bringing thumb to string number 4, the index finger to string number 3, the middle finger to string number 2, and the ring finger to string number 1. When we have that position, we lift the hand just a little bit to leave the fingertips close to the strings to make it easier to get at the right time. We begin measure 1 by plucking 3 strings at the same time, strings 4, 3, and 1. Then, string number 2, we bring finger 4 to string number 1 fret number 3 and we pluck strings 3 and 1. Then string number 2 by itself. We remove finger 4 and we play the strings number 3 and 1 at the same time. Finger 2 is on string number 1 fret number 2. We continue with the middle finger on string number 2. Let's see that again. Notice how fingers 1, 2, and 3 don't move at all, and it's finger 4 that comes on and off on fret number 3. To go into measure number 2, we are going to remove all the fingers of the left hand and we pluck strings 5, 3, and 1 as we bring finger 1 to string number 2 fret number 2. We pluck string 2 with middle finger. We bring finger number 2 to string number 1 fret number 2 and we pluck strings 3 and 1 at the same time while we keep finger 1 in the same spot throughout the measure. We pluck string number 2, then we remove finger 2 as we pluck strings 3 and 1, and finally string number 2. To play measure number 3, we're going to need finger 1 doing a half bar on fret number 2, covering the first 3 strings, and finger 2 on string number 1 fret number 3. We pluck strings 5, 3, and 1 at the same time. String 2, we bring finger 4 to string number 1 fret number 5, and we pluck strings 3 and 1. String 2, we remove finger 4, activating finger 2, and we pluck strings 3 and 1, and we finish the measure with string number 2. We're going to use finger number 2 as guiding finger to go from measure 3 to measure 4. So we are going to slide it gently without producing a glissando sound as we play the D major chord with our left hand. Measure number 4 is an exact repetition of measure number 1. We can see the finger picking pattern as a 6-step finger picking pattern. The first step is 3 strings at the same time, and it's always some string with the thumb, index on the third, and ring finger on the first string. The second step is middle finger on string number 2. The third step is strings 3 and 1 at the same time. Fourth step is middle finger on string number 2. Next step is index and ring fingers at the same time, and the 6th step is the middle finger on string number 2 all the time. To play measure number 5, we are going to need finger number 2 on string number 5 fret number 2, finger number 3 on string number 3 fret number 2, and finger number 4 on string number 1 fret number 2 as well. We play the finger picking pattern with the right hand, making sure that the thumb plucks string number 5. Strings 5, 3, and 1. String 2. Finger 4 slides from fret number 2 to fret number 3, and then back to fret number 2, just to release all the fingers at the same time to play string 6, 3, and 1. Then string 2, 3, 2 as we bring finger 1 to string number 3, fret number 1, and finger 2 to string number 1, fret number 1. We plug those strings at the same time. Middle finger plays open second string. And then fingers 1 and 2 are going to be our guiding fingers. We're going to slide them from fret 1 to fret 2, making sure that we do not produce a glissando sound. And when we are there, we plug strings 5, 3, and 1 as we bring finger 3 to string number 2, fret number 3, completing the D major chord. Strings 3 and 1, string 2. Then we release all the fingers of the left hand. We plug strings 3 and 1 as open strings. As we bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 2, we plug it with the middle. And we bring finger 2 to string number 2, fret number 3. We plug strings 4 and 2 at the same time. And that concludes the first section. To play measure number 9, we're going to need finger 3 on string number 3, fret number 4, finger 2 on string number 2, fret number 3. We're going to keep those fingers on the same spot throughout measure number 9, and we're going to be moving fingers 1 and 4 over string number 1. We start with strings number 6, 3, and 1 at the same time. String number 2, we bring finger 1 to string number 1, fret number 2, and we pluck strings 3 and 1. String number 2, we bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 4, and we pluck strings 3 and 1, and then string number 2. We're going to use finger number 4 as guiding finger to go from measure 9 to measure 10. We are going to slide it from fret number 4 to fret number 5, making sure that we do not produce a glissando sound as we bring finger 1 into a position of a half bar on fret number 2. We plug strings 5, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 2. We remove finger 4 and we make sure that finger 1 is pressing properly on all the 3 strings that we are covering as we plug strings 3 and 1 and then string number 2. To go into measure number 11, we're going to bring finger 3 and 4 at the same time. Finger 3 to string number 3, fret number 4, and finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 4 as well. We are going to plug strings 6, 3, and 1 as we bring finger 2 to string number 2, fret number 3, and we plug string 2 with middle finger. String 3, string 2, we remove finger 4 as we plug string 3 and 1, and finally string number 2. To go into measure number 12, we're going to need 3 fingers on the first 3 strings, all of them on fret number 2. Finger 1 goes to string number 3, fret number 2. Finger 2 goes to string number 2, fret number 2. And finger 3 goes to string number 1, also on fret number 2. We plug strings 5, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 2. We remove finger 3 as we plug strings 3 and 1, and string number 2. To play measure number 13, we're going to bring finger number 3 to string number 3, fret number 4, and finger number 2 to string number 2, fret number 3. We plug strings 6, 3, and 1 at the same time. String 2, as we bring finger number 1 to string number 1, fret number 2, and we pluck strings 3 and 1. We follow with string number 2 as we bring finger number 4 to string number 1, fret number 4, and we pluck strings 3 and 1. And we continue with string number 2. When we finish this measure, we're going to start preparing our index finger, or finger number 1, to make a half bar covering strings number 1, 2, and 3. And we are going to go into measure number 14 by bringing the bar, the half bar, on fret number 2 as we remove fingers 2 and 3 and push finger number 4 to fret number 5. When we get there, we pluck strings 5, 3, and 1 at the same time. String number 2, we bring finger 3 to string number 1, fret number 4 as we remove finger 4, and we pluck strings 3 and 1. String 2, we remove finger 3 and we pluck strings 3 and 1 again. String 2. Measure 15, we're going to break off the finger picking pattern of the right hand as we bring finger number 3 to string number 3, fret number 4, finger number 2 to string number 2, fret number 3. We remove finger 1 to have open first string, and we're going to pluck 3 strings at the same time. String 6, 3, 2, and 1. Then strings 3 and 2 at the same time, and then by itself string number 3. Measure number 16 gives us a short scale. We begin with open 5th string and string number 3 on fret number 2. Pluck it with index finger. Then finger 3 goes to string number 3, fret number 4. We pluck it with the middle finger. As we bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 2, we pluck it with the index finger as we remove finger 3. And bring finger 2 to string number 2, fret number 3. We pluck it with the middle finger. Then open first string with the index finger. Then we bring finger number 2 to string number 1, fret number 1. We pluck it with the middle finger. And we're going to use finger number 2 as a guiding finger to bring it from fret number 1 to fret number 2 as we position our left hand in a D major chord. And from measure 17 all the way to the end of the piece is an exact repetition as what we played from measure number 1 to measure number 8. And there you have it, friends. Lesson 83 from the First Lessons book by Julio Sagreras. In the description box below you will find a link to a play-along video so you can practice it with me at a relatively slow tempo, as well as other links to other important resources that can help you to develop your guitar and music skills. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.